Coronavirus, virus be a timmy affect respiratory system, ma pneumonia and other. Now, yeah, will be a while a wooden pem to say SARS, and they've been so while, and yeah, I know you're doing to senia, edimino. Now, near whom for the neo and boom. And if you are born a benipem, the benipem will say virus, Mrs. Sano. And I'm say at the son of one with me fee nipa from Mukuni Papa Kumuno. Let's just say ama a year new virus. Yenim ni subain, yenim senior see a new one say a Maoyare, Timima, a Binusu, Enema, Intraman new name. Let's just say a virus be a many area, a fair naba for
okay.
Into a move from a mom. And Abenipem. It's me, I rate me for a boom benipem, but a bepa sign but a son a bit me free, Nipabakum, another one, or say a buon son, Paros son.
Okay.
In 10 son one, a human to human transmission. I may issue anti Yaman for process.
Okay, Brana, a wabuamono, and a coronavirus, no.
Still a coronavirus.
Still a coronavirus. Okay, not make us be a free abuama benipemunti, and I say I bet than SARS-2. And COVID-19.
Yes. And to say I nipa area.
Okay.
Into a different
form of coronavirus. Okay.
Coronavirus, but or my area we say.
Okay. Okay. So we be nyasa yare bia. Dey dead ye. Doc.
Oh, a lot about ebi abobowa. Ohubayeshi. Ebi abenya sore throat. To say ebia huna betutu kakra bedroom rebe na home kra na yedin na obre.
Okay.
In extreme cases no etimi kwa kidney. Enti sana it's a strategies like a common cold na a progress ako nia ose.
Okay. These forms of education there, here on our show, you be about the symptoms and what must be done near there. But Yambra was here, Ghana Health Service, and yadi unity ewo Wuhan, Hubei province, ewo China, Anamoa Matu as a ministry and as Ghana Health Service, Anamoa Matu doc. Yambra Hodma.
That's it. Sa yare we no ba enema call me and obiaye first one say enam say ni krom ha na kwan be na be fa so a ye import to emanu mbra kro no.
Okay.
Na ya sanso set system say e ban so a e de be na be me ehunu ntentem a e bitimi a contain no na say surveillance system no. And na say in event say enye bi so a e kwan be na be fa so a Yebesano, Yebetiti, the Pacron.
Okay.
That's case management, near what surveillance now, you all the preventive measures. No, and Nam saying, no, Nam say, Boda, you say, new Pia or Ye Juma or Boda Simbiano, Asia. Ntiene yo there's a small national technical committee immigration for was so port health for the omukan almost was so airport for kan airport company Kotoka International for juma other health workers both private and public omukan ho sebe ya obi abenya we shame say bibia ba obetimi alert na your development partners so WHO, UNICEF, under the leadership of the Ministry of Health.
Okay.
Na here near yes near Beni, a quiet say near Befaso. Now be also who say so we immigration new we you Diana also your customs then also ambulance service then also fires bibia ka ho ntia no ne ade edi kan set ewie so ana ya bo maseni circular call all the regions say near Beni no bia surveillance system no omo enhance no say ye me more alert say bibia be hu bia no we ni na abeye ne asa identify say hospitals we ni na enya case Ediomboko. So Bufra, ni also yeni, and son out now confirm we confirm we so say bia say no say enye bia say no say enti ne ye wa ha no wo region near that there more similar ones a multi sectoral response almost ho even so a training for doctors and nurses on betimi aboa no ne also pay logistics on be here PPEs personal protective equipment sebeya ni onu be hia no so no be to abo no ho ban ti de bebre aba ba ya nso aba nso 10,000 ni obi dada ne o kakra wo ho a edugu ho for Ebola na ya nyusu ntini bi wo ho nti atobi aka ho a ya distribute ni nyina sebeya obi obe sa de bia nso no obetimi aye na ya hwe se okay se ye wo case ahina ye de ne be call for treatment your tema general hospital was a special place, it's a place was regional hospital so yeah be because I know you phone no come be it's in isolation say be ya ono akọ baby on washroom
hono na mo wo baby a enra meti din negative room a mo di nipa ne be she
eni de eni bi wa
negative room de ye
negative pressure room de bi ni Ghana
ye ni bi wo Ghana ha
yes
hey
na eno no kire say ye say uwura mu a bibia no etimi abonten because pressure no ye inverse and just say bia wuntimi empire
yes enka studio hey na negative pressure room no a ya see the kwan sonko bi so a say do sha ha bibia ni ho a etimi pia bonten
negative inverse and these are advanced systems ebia ya mincha de chire binya bi see infectious disease hospital there definitely ebinya ebibi honum sebeya ntino enema ayi nyina no ntina yani media there was risk communication we say church and microphone also mo ye unya bia no so ye kwan be na be fa so unya bi wo krum na hu obi a de no so ye nti these are all things that we do na port health and so no ho ne hia pa port no ye borders no ye wo form ho a obi aba be profile be busa wo wo fe hina free ba mfie sen wa de tu kwan da be na wo kwa ha o free Ghana wo ko free ho da ben wo kruba so na fae nti e hwe ne se wa ko krubi anase ba bia o ye likely se obenya contractor we different profile we nyina wi a na ehu se ukokruma hin out here address can say obia momodin aso be my address papa because ebia na ehu bibia winim ebi kura na ne oto nchen o plane mo no ye hu no se obi o se be hwehwe oh na me share nti o tro wrong address a ehu
wachi kwansi ye hu na no answer odi ade no na mo
na wan so na obebre bi be sample ba obebre first
sir
be yon su bi nti no ye ni nyina awie se be ya in case ehu obi a ebi a 2-3 days I know so be anya bia o se ekoko trace o mo a o come in contract nyina na ehwe make my example case of Liberia case here o call Liberia plane is Ghana ama nipa by 21 is form inte che ehun say no obi o people Liberia na o se ekofhwehwe o mo nyina o mo si free plane ti plane si nyina no ye mo self imposed quarantine o mo fie for 21 days and san ya kasa fe de mo yo okay bitimi akọ ente no ni ade a ya set up
se nhwehwemu a ya mo ye it did not say how long does it take se bia se mo hwehwe obi mu se bia ansa na mo timi confirm se wo bi anase oni bi
nyame ncha de Ghana e lucky ye wo good 2 labs or ha no Gucci state of the art lab enya African country be timi ye I take you through so abni mo jan de kokko say within 24 hours no normally within a few hours now on second they be results no kwa this sample no kwa na text abrem e be about 2-3-4 hours data na abrem results no tell you about me that say negative say positive but so far 15 in negative means here wo lab so so a take a sample no ko ho no Gucci KCC a kuma so timi e bi de be kona second results so determine pakura ko fi intem and I said they be take the next step no
okay so I'm Dr. Patrick Aboagye or acting director general Ghana Health Service na me no twetwe enkomo hyanen so ema me February ne March Go TV amana ye de pa if February ya they kopim the 31st of March wo to Go TV decoder na utowia wa text 1731 what text the Go TV they call 1731 na eno no ya the Go TV no e dia bro full set for only 89 Ghana cedis into bomoding na ya sound so the 2 months of Go TV plus subscription ya the account ho at no cost to cry into fa won ehemu ebi na also enjoy Go TV any programs bebre e was Go TV ama independent so ache de kekekekekekeke enti channel so open chemu a for 0302 740540 and which me send here SMS 1731. This is true love from Go TV. Go TV, live it, love it. Look, and Ramiti Bibi Shemunu ase. Na imagine me na kakra. Wait me I confirm mama me say the rate of transmission for COVID-19 35%. That is very very high.
And ama near preventive measures no here say be ya be ma reduce contacts as much as possible among people and no nya kan ho na China for lockdown say be ya obi MPP appointing by heart na obi nsu wura obi mpie say be ya e bitimi reduce the rate of transmission.
Mo be here sika ede etu sa say amuti no a mete budget my any sika aban etimi release ede amamo betimi abomi mu kakra
me da say budget na aye ne de I will say it's a more of a scenario budget say see e dey men pa na be here yem fan say be for the next 2-3 months say na be here as long as we nyanya case no certain expenditures are not needed but be ya hoboa are ready they go any initial funds we any partners so can e bring some promise on so aboa ama yaye enti no say ne be here PPE training kakra be here for those centers identify no be prepare say in case you have to quarantine will be be at never call say treatment some IV fluid and these are all the things that have budget initially be here kakra I the best start in more na as the situation be the budget will not go up. Name say if we stay at this now more of an alert state to state say if something happens then we trigger as soon as there's a case then the preparations and requirements will increase. So that's how we are preparing towards it. Up to a PPEs, no, we are doing some trainings near that.
And so far, how much of the initial budget now about me release the amount?
Oh, minister, I can't say about $500,000 for a start. Entire budget of total be here based on the various scenarios now. I draw no more engaged. I'm sure says if we need more, about my.
But I know me kakra during the presentation. Me say you need point of care test in Ghana now. I don't know if I heard right.
Any point of care text in probably the whole world.
I see. Okay.
And the point of care test and say be nanka our little strip be a doctor no nanka or tested say a day bo junso man as sugar enibi.
Okay.
And ni na no say it say kwa there if no China for you CT scan so much x-ray no dey I improve the but here they collab. Na ntia say twon moja na the collab na results no but your point of care can say baby a wo na etimi test wo ha kire wo say wo malaria like no but enu na ebi ni ho no.
Okay, doc Ghana for dodo be saying na per mo data say ka say wo mo China especially and yet China in general but baby ayare no edi akotene pa e wo China me kire Hubei province Wuhan city Ghana for do saying and kita hundie no saying
thank you well at the moment they mean to me but information is more on the say apart from students students were
okay
and I Ghana for so ho almost yenim say roughly my information is that we have about 162 or so students
okay
but I'm sure say they are about so can be 300 artists if you add everybody together. I don't know all that area of the epicenter no that's where I know we have them.
Okay. Na me pese me hun kita hudi asisi because over the past few days, there's been calls. Mumbai fire refuel. And then person who kita hundia. What between Ghana Health Service and
you know, as we are taking our decisions, you see a share and Yama Air Coso.
Okay.
In him say foreign affairs is in contact with them. In him said Ghana's ambassador Beijing almost every other day, only kasa identifying their needs. I also know say was send your money makakra. Ebi ebinom I say and so near their day. Minim say a Minister of Health and your more eye interaction. Minim say a former Director General has directed with some of them. So, there's some contact, and I'm sure Foreign Affairs will have more information about this contact. And that is trying to assess their situation, look at the systems now, to prevent Obia from Ubenya Yariano. And that's the number we know so far. But so workers are expanding the Krubia Noir. Yare be 28 countries in and send Ghana and also at risk.
And not coming back to also because it's about 28 countries are and of course you're Ghana for when and almost super fee. It is to call free hand Marcos and Krumku.
The first port on Nanka test a friend is saying affected areas, and I mean more China and airlines Nanka free. Maybe a Kenyan Airways, Ethiopian, Emirates, and they nipe free that Southeast Asia and Bano. Now, I feel who says things as friend, Ubi over Bia no set test. Wouldn't maybe be a free or buy, a be free, baby, no best in call, between Moko like Ben, a fin over. Ain't it to say F Ubia? And that's the number we have.
Okay, she said, me fee, Abruchena me be drew Kutuka. A day, any day, na mefem, and Sana met me a time the bag. Say me call a Kumasi and me call Begro.
Ideally, no through plane. Some of them are doing now. Obi see the man form declaration form.
Yeah, the man will play him.
It's supposed to.
Okay.
But I'm from our corner people. Before so be pay free tunnel no more. Then the be no throw within. Baby, I'll free buy. He fan I'll call yeah. Oh boy, utio ya uhwaeshi uchuchuni na we are not port officials, no health officials, no mashi. First to look at your risk profile and sun your temperature. Where temperature no, if it is less than 38 degrees, not just say oko. Name momo shim. Who say, hey, Papa, I said about 3 days ago, no Wuhan, and I said no ha. I'm feeling based on information, it's a risk area. Then we will need to do further probing. And see whether the risk profile is high. You feel so a risk more isolation area. You know, test. In fact, a lot of we heard about a few people are keep test or maybe a year man and I say oh na near chumuja ne do courage near test so far negative echo. And that's the procedure. Oko so your information be report to a chiro. Your audience so it's on in tier. We'll go through that process now. A cost delay kakra. But if you say for the health of our people, immigration officers that you are going to get in touch with, it's important. Says I didn't immigration officers by their education also have a little way of probing to see in case we may see BBR, they will also be able to alert us.
Okay, China just say airport hono de enya de a bia fancy screening bia bekoso ana bibi wo hwa bia say ye de gu so fi plane mu AC fam no ano aha ye me hu ne ma bi sa wo social media enya Ghana ha abrochire de but mentimi hu say Ghana ha so bibi sa akoso
ewo enya ndu sign there's more na say nipa kono ba bia we fria ba be dru Ghana ha no na afi na be spray no em say epicenter no mo yes anima no fixation is anima no
I see
and the hode enya ne sa but the screening the declaration form is a major form of screening. Oh, no, baby, man, say me call Thailand. We go through the same procedure of filling in. No, I check your passport, whose information I know, who's all your correct and sign or stamp before so become migration, and that's exactly what we are doing here. Here the same thing will all our recognized borders to ensure say everybody is profiled.
Okay, Doc, what can borders as me? One area. Of great concern to fishermen, apofo. any how porous our borders are on our waters. Sabi yenim oko tema uhunu China for nam ya nsusu ane ade to bua bere no me nam yensu yi eso, and I don't know how by your surveillance amoye no mutimi ede mo ani hwe saafo no enyina ho mutimi say what mase misa no ase.
Oh yeah, port health for your port health in almost all those areas are checking those things, no. Baby, any portals, immigration for near that day or no are able to alert to see whether those things. And I also say, baby, I will be a district. Baby, Sasibia will have falls in one district. The surveillance team are also alerting. Once we've been activated, and they know say, oh yeah, na fishermen be baha into almost so young corner. That's the way we respond. But the BR will be a force in a particular
district. And quite apart from on our waters, on land.
So when you see land, so they are
on approved
district. And I'm more district and so many where these porous areas are.
Okay.
And so they also put system. The Ghanaians are very, very encouraging. Oh, Mubwa. Oh, oh, and see, once a China nibi kurabaha. I bet in China say no if you are suspicious, we just go and see reprofile in case
manya complaints.
We've had a few, and Yako check your moon, and the tourist profile does not say. And even some of them have been doing all their own things. Since you know, the ordinary Ghanaian is also alerting say distance, and that's part of the surveillance. Rumors is part of surveillance. So if you say then the system respond to it.
Okay. So what is it? Ghana for you know we a little bit of politics, but for before my evacuate omo edu amabo omo krom nti mo so mo nkofa Ghana for China emfa wo mra dangers ben and risk ben and they were evacuating our brothers and sisters from China edu amaba Ghana.
One of the cardinal principles of dealing with this medical outbreaks, and say is you contain. This year, I mean, say a jato which ha. Yen kofeja na free ha ma baba amiti e janto e na na medum no ana meboa e ho na edum no
ha na edum no se na be ya enter ma baba a wote ya no.
And that's the first principle. The WHO says no evacuation. Na ye konsuso a ye hwe se baby e wo no e de be ne de na e fa so a ye edum e jane se be ya sa apunu ya enka no e jano enko epron ho no. And it's a sad no ho dia you don't do that. And the maintenance say systems ben na baby e wo no to prevent the same thing from happening. And if it is adequate, you don't unless who feel say enema na baby o mo to protect them from getting infected no inadequate. If that is inadequate, then you may need to look at it. You try and get into ensure say, and this is now it's an international emergency. It's not just Chinese government, the WHO be making sure that the systems are in place. And if it is there, you watch it. Then if only people be here support more command and sana move abaha. I've said it over all kind of porous border. Country be an abako far evacuation abebiano. If it is not done properly, if their surveillance and containment systems are not good, it puts the whole sub-region at risk. So na mention, and these are some of the core principles. Obviously, we will watch every hour, every day to see what are the systems. There are people on the ground giving us feedback. If there's a need to do that, we'll do that. But for now, the best thing is to keep it there. I don't know about 2 months plus now. Which means system is holding. So that's the more reason why.
Okay,
our technical advice the minister I also accept and then say all our medical experts from the researchers from everybody including WHO, this is the position say we need to
say free China the number. Okay, many Dr. Patrick Abuaje, or acting director general Ghana Health Service, and I'm in Chichen and Commodore, Memon Musio Kakrana Fee, and Chibia, and Comotuno Ebanavia, and it's Shannon Son and Mammy, na Senabedica, you are Sutrino. Nido Essential Powdered Milk. Ede Nido Achedia Bibri promo no Ede Brew, Shannon Son, say Nido empty sachet no awatono. Fabra na fe yencha de unya 14 grams no 30 empty sachets now de aba unya 26 grams no so 20 empty sachets Fabra na fe 365 grams no so unya 2 na no so o de aba onam dwomu a hwe ba bia branded Nido promoter no ewo flag no ehim no an ko ho no ma fa empty sachets no ekọ na yemfo achede emma shopping vouchers, school bags, exercise books, and a free product. Nestle Nido, your love, their future. Kai sir, Mami Akua Foundation at the Let's Pray for Our Children Jumedie Eba Kwesiada 23rd February 2020. Baso the Church of Pentecost Tema Community 4 Assembly Kwesiada 23rd February 2020. Efi area nomien sakopma numere non son 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. Akasa for mobile media say Apostle Abraham Swansea, Pastor Agbemo, Elder Dr. Henry K. Hackman, and a Lady Pastor Tania Okran, and Elder Anane, and Bibria Kekaho. So Penia Jumedi is sinister, so a district pastor J.K. Agbemo, and Jumedi no is sinister. So Tibra, na Yinshiemu, na Yemompaye, Emfa Emma Yemma, Mami Akua Foundation, and this Hankai boy, the Brow Doc. Me nsam Brow Subio. Enti se obi wo China na woni nkronkro ya yebbo oboswe se bia woni Wuhan City ana Hubei province hon mo be ho ba bia na me Ghana ha metimi tu kwan se me wo outside these areas am metimi tu kwan ba Ghana ha ana me so bia me odwumadie bi na SM kokodi no China enye Hubei province I can travel.
Can say Hubei province when the other places are spread to. But generally, no, if it is not very essential, Benko. But you said there are many places in China. I don't cry any so internet there any almost work as I say if it's not a very essential traveler, Benko. Name there are baby also China where BBN. First also the right advice to be given to you.
Okay.
But I make say for example, sema ebi a containment strategy ebia says me book robia ebi si krofufuro bi mu a nke beka say ahade emi ma o say ye de bom ho ban no ebi ni ho nti yenkofo omumra so but we share systems in place in baby or na also who say enye advisable say obey. And the second one I can say in case cross say foforo the whole world country where treaty be China into benye bi hakra no they have more experience managing it than other countries have been able how to manage it. Can't reasons no but I advise say more psychological support, more supplies. I know the foreign affairs is sending them food. We have informed that local food, Shitoni, Nema,
Garini,
they are all doing by DHL to the place.
Okay.
Arranging psychological support to give them one-on-one psychological support from here, where someone can speak to them. And we also know, sir, and yet students in fact, less than probably a third. But I express interest in the significant majority do not want to come.
Okay.
And I'll say consider all these things and sana but question it there, say if it's not essential traveler, don't go.
Okay.
But we of course we have where the profile is risky or not.
Well, yadi come twetwe eba ewie no ebia se enei Ghana for what China wo mutie any Ghana for what ha so so obi pese otu kwan ekwa China wo tie a afuto be na de be masafo no by way of ahomboa as say nipa kro no woye ana so so bi krampa na enemy menkwa ana asema menkwa based on say essential travels semia obo so yes
You have to avoid unnecessary exposure. So to those things and the essential traveler. And our horse so necessary can say men kwaha men you ya men we are who say Ujani afaha because we are putting who at risk and you are putting your neighbors at risk. You know, your best is to be ND Mrano so say because the side you know, idea ebo be a huban, bo huban na and I'm saying a sign to walk of a bounce or their bread or more ben into Obia make sure say yes, say menkwaha, why yes, also drinking more fluids, also wash it. Personal hygiene is extremely important. So wash on more often because virus, if you're about 1.8 to 2 meters closer, no business here. A bit to me about say, but in check, we and check name mum, it means table, so door handles now. I bet check a crowd or into 10 piano. You have to be washing your hands more often. Alcohol rub, at least 60% alcohol concentration. Now they clean us up periodically, so that we look what we call social distancing, so that unnecessary contact with in places where the condition is prevalent, something that you should not. And I cry about boss. I mean, what Hannah said, they be maintaining the right hygiene. It protects you, and only at their.
Okay, but Doc, your call center be I know be more information be how to contact the Ghana Health Service.
There were two numbers a bit me the attribute say obi pese onhia information obetimi afre but so my main number no meaning say PR no dey betudwa very soon until but I mean there were two numbers and I will call center and our region so maybe use our call center no and so the abeye sebeya obi abe here information be no ba e betimi dey am try say me number no the amount I'm say me ma cross see and so Canada atudwa say paper me tro was no
ehun be hia pa doc wo hwehwe number no de ama me no ma men kayo say TCL and a special Valentine deal the amount special discount of up to 30% and a TCL the amount on all Android TVs, air conditioners, washing machines, any bibria ekeka ho enti enefia de ye enefia de ye at every TCL showroom no bo ra honma there was special discount at the amount. You can enjoy Netflix and YouTube by a simple voice command. There is also a free bar of chocolate for every walk-in. Ubu rahonma ya chocolate. Na also the National Chocolate Day no. Ya showroom so no ebi Wadakuma Junction. Ben Techno and afi North Industrial Area and so any Melcom no edi Melcom Plus di nhwe no La Paz ye ben main traffic light no and afi Takra den so ye ben post office Tamale and so ye wo Fidelity Dining mo ye ne for Smuel building no and edi nhwe no for TCL 0202698398 and 054625 7983 ubetim so afre 0544216561 na so ubetimi aye online order or call www.tclghana.com nationwide delivery yeah the sumo TCL the creative life doc
so two numbers 055 222 055 22 22 004 and it's now 055 22 22 005 Ufra now here information be about now or month me or behind me and no ankasa immediately they will get back to you and talk to you and tell you exactly what you need to know.
Rabaji mamena wase ebra waje eni abetwetwe nkomo nyame shaw yada CP.
I said that was CP.
Right, inti Dr. Patrick Abuaje, Acting Director General Ghana Health Service, and Anape Yaneno, Atwetwe and Common Doc, but your chocolate no.
Okay. blue back, yellow back.
Wafa blue back, yellow back, orange back. Me da say you the whole Sedama Cocoa Processing Company. I wonder Mama Valentino. I had the right here on Jason Sam on Adom 106.3 FM.